Dear students, you are welcome to the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is about proportionality. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to click the bell to stay notified. The objectives for this lesson are to identify proportional sequences, to identify and calculate the coefficient of a proportionality, to identify ratios and quotient, and finally to use percentages, rates, and scales.
We had seen in the engage and explore section how we can calculate a certain quantity by using the percentage ratio. Now let's revise how we can simplify fractions. Assume that we have these three fractions: 24 over 9, 48 over 18, and 96 over 36. We want to simplify each one. Let's start by 24 over 9. So 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 over 3 times 3. Of course, now you can eliminate the same numbers shared between the numerator and the denominator. So you will eliminate the 3, and the remaining is equal to 8 over 3. Of course, you can directly find the common divisor between the numerator and the denominator, which is 3 in this example. 24 divided by 3 equal to 8, and 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. 48 over 18. Of course, you can find these prime numbers by doing prime factorization. So 48, after doing prime factorization, you will get these prime numbers. 48 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, and 18 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3. Now you can eliminate the common numbers between the numerator and the denominator. Again, the remaining is equal to 8 over 3. Now 96 over 36. 96 and 36 is a bit large numbers, so you can do again prime factorization. Find the prime numbers. After that, you eliminate the common numbers between the numerator and the denominator, and finally you will get this fraction 8 over 3. So it's obvious that these three fractions are equal. This means that the above fractions are proportional fractions. Identifying ratios. Ratio indicates how many times one number contains another. Let's see examples to understand the idea. Here we have 3 boys and 3 girls. The ratio of boys to girls is equal to 3 over 3, which is equal to 1. You can write the ratio in this symbol: 3, 2 points, and the other number 3. Of course, after simplifying this fraction 3 over 3, you can write the ratio equal to 1. Here we have 2 rackets and 4 tennis balls. You can write the ratio of rackets to balls equal to 2 over 4, which is equal to 1 over 2 after simplifying this ratio or this fraction. The ratio of balls to the ratio of balls to rackets equal to 4 over 2, which is equal to 2 to 1. Identifying proportional table. Example 1. Check whether the following table is a proportional table or not. First, we want to check if x over y remains constant as the fractions or as the values of x and y change. So 3 over 2, we can't simplify it. 3 over 2, 3 is a prime number and 2 is a prime number, so we can't simplify this fraction. 6 over 4 equal to 3 over 2, because 6 equal to 2 times 3 and 4 equal to 2 times 2. So 2 eliminated with 2, and the remaining is equal to 3 over 2. 18 over 12, 18 equal to 2 times 3 times 3, and 12 equal to 2 times 2 times 3. Now again you can eliminate 2 with 2 and 3 with 3. The remaining fraction is equal to 3 over 2, and 9 over 6, 9 is equal to 3 over 3, and 6 equal to 2 times 3. Again, 3 eliminated with 3, and the remaining fraction is equal to 3 over 2. So the whole fractions are equal, which means that this table considered as a proportional table. Here x equal to 3 over 2 y. 3 over 2, we call it constant. So if we have the value of y, you can calculate x directly. If you have y equal to, for example, 2, so 3 times 2 equal to 6, 6 over 2 equal to 3. So the value of x equal to 3. And if you have x, you can calculate y. Example 2. Knowing that the following table is a proportional table, find A, B, and C. Now, it's given that this table is a proportional, so we want to use the idea of proportionality in order to find the unknown values A, B, and C. So we know that these four fractions are equal. 3 over 5 equal to A over 25. Now we can do cross multiplication to find the value of A. So A equal to 3 times 25 over 5, 25 over 5 equal to 5, and 3 times 5 equal to 15. 3 over 5 equal to 12 over b. Again, by doing cross multiplication, 3b equal to 12 times 5 or 60. So b equal to 12 times 5 over 3, which is equal to 20. Again, 3 over 5 equal to c over 35. Try to use always the given fraction to avoid mistakes, because you might be wrong in your calculations. So 3 over 5 equal to c over 35. Again, by doing cross multiplication, c will be equal to 3 times 35 over 5, which is equal to 21.
Now let's introduce the direct proportional relation. Two quantities x and y are said to be direct proportion if they increase or decrease together in such manner the ratio of their corresponding values remains constant. Let's solve an exercise to understand the idea. If we have 8 oranges, or the price of 8 oranges is given as 4,000 Lebanese lira. What is the price of 6 oranges? So we want to calculate the price of 6 oranges. It's obvious that as oranges, or as the number of oranges increase, their price must increase. So here we have direct proportion relation, and we want to calculate the price of 6 oranges. So we only need to rearrange the given. We put the item, which is the oranges, here at the left, and the unit, which is Lebanese lira, on the right. 8 oranges cost 4,000 Lebanese lira, and 6 oranges cost X. We don't know how much they cost. Okay, now we only need to do cross multiplication to calculate the value of X. So 8 multiplied by X equal to 4,000 times 6. 8x equal to 24,000, and x equal to 3,000 Lebanese lira. So the price of 6 oranges equal to 3,000 Lebanese lira. Exercise 2. If you drive 90 miles in 2.5 hours, or in 2 hours and a half, how should it take to complete the final 200 miles of a trip? So here we know that as the distance increases, we need more time to complete this distance. So here we have again direct proportion relation. So we put the unit, which is the miles, on the left, and again the unit here, we have another unit, which is time, on the right. 90 miles, it takes 2.5 hours, and 200 miles takes x. We don't know how much it takes. We want to calculate the value of x. So again, we do cross multiplication. 90x equal to 2.5 times 200. So 90x equal to 500, and x equal to 500 over 90, which is equal to 5.56 hours. Now let's move to the inverse proportional relation. If the quantity x increases, the quantity y decreases, or when the quantity x decreases, the quantity y increases. So now we'll apply the opposite of the direct proportional relation idea. Let's solve this exercise to understand the idea. Some candies are distributed to 15 kids, and each kid gets 4 candies. If there are only 12 kids, how many candies does each kid get? So it's obvious that As the number of children increase, the number of kids, the number of candies for each kid will decrease. So it's the inverse proportional relation. Now again, we only need to rearrange the given. We put the number of kids on the left and the number of candies on the right. 12 kids, each one gets 4 candies. 15 kids, each one gets 4 candies, and 12 kids, each one gets X. We want to calculate this X. Now we don't do cross multiplication. We directly multiply 15 by 4 and 12 by x. So we put 15 times 4 equal to 12 times x. 15 times 4 equal to 60, 12 equal to 12x. Now we calculate x by dividing 60 over the coefficient of x. So 60 over 12 equal 5 candies. So since the number of children here decrease from 15 to 12, the number of candies for each kid will increase from 4 to 5. Exercise 2. 6 children need 30 minutes to tidy up the books in their library. How many children should be added so that the job could be done within 20 minutes? Please guys, try to understand the problem very well before you start solving, in order to decide whether you are going to use the direct proportional relation or the inverse proportional relation. Here, as the number of children increase, the time that they will need in order to tidy up the library will decrease. So here we have inverse proportional relation. Again, we need to rearrange the given. 6 children need 30 minutes, X children need 20 minutes. We want to calculate first the value of x. So 6 times 30 equal to 20 times x, 180 equal to 20x, and x equal to 9. So we need 9 children in order to do this job. But that question asks us how many children should be added. So we didn't answer the question yet. We should calculate the number of children that should be added so that the job could be done within 20 minutes. We already have 6 children, so the children needed to be added 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3 children only. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please try to contact with me if you have any question about the evaluation section and the elaboration section. Stay safe and good luck. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.